Currently, there are lots of YouTube channels which has grown with the power of YouTube Shorts. So here you will find one channel in the name of Jojo Sim. They upload videos like funny videos or prank videos, and you can find their subscriber base. It is around 2.5 million. So you can understand the power of YouTube Shorts. They all the videos they have uploaded are around 17 seconds or 16 seconds. Not a single video is above 1 minute. So you can understand the power of YouTube Shorts. They can give you a really good quality of reach, and the subscriber base are also huge. They are getting a huge base of subscribers by only uploading YouTube Shorts. Another channel I want to mention here is Tesla Nerd. They upload videos about the latest technologies and features of Tesla cars. So you can also see their videos length are only around 16 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, somewhere like that, not above 1 minute. Their subscriber base is around 17k subscribers they are having only by uploading YouTube short videos. Here also their views are also quite huge. You can find their views 1.3 million, 87k views, 41k views. They are getting a good amount of views by only uploading YouTube Shorts. Many channels only create shorts. Here another one example you will see, Alan Sai. They upload short videos about how a movie has been created, what are the equipments have been used to shoot that movie, and you will find the lengths. Their video lengths are around, but they are below 1 second only. Only this one video is above 1 second, 1 minute. Sorry, rest of the videos are all below 1 minute. Most of the videos. So this is the power of YouTube Shorts, and their subscriber base is 13k. It's huge basically. So by uploading YouTube Shorts they gained this much of subscribers. So you can understand the power of YouTube Shorts. So what are YouTube Shorts? Why these channels are getting so many views and subscribers, and what are their benefits? So by the name only you can understand that creators only upload short videos on this feature of YouTube, and the length of the videos must not and the length of the video should be maximum of 60 seconds. You can upload these videos from the YouTube app and can watch them also from the YouTube app only. This feature is not available on the web version. The normal videos we upload on YouTube are in landscape format, and the ratio we have to maintain is 16:9. Whereas in short we have to shoot and upload the video in vertical format, and the ratio we have to maintain is 9:16. Now you have seen this kind of vertical video format on Instagram Reels and TikTok before. YouTube has brought this feature specifically to compete the short video market. Now let's talk about the benefits you will get if you use short video format on YouTube. The number one benefit you will get, as it is a new feature, YouTube is giving shorts its number one priority. If you are uploading shorts, then possibilities are there your channel will grow fast, as it will get the importance of YouTube. You might fail also if you can't able to upload quality content, as it will not get proper views. If you are creating good videos, you will get more views and your channel will definitely grow fast. You can create both short and long videos in one channel. If you combine this both format in one channel, then definitely your channel will boom very quickly, as it will get the preference of YouTube. So if you are new to YouTube, you don't have any views and subscribers, you can use these features to grow fast, as it will help you a lot to increase your views and subscribers. Now one thing is clear, that we can grow better through YouTube Shorts. We can get more views and subscribers through YouTube Shorts. But what about monetization? How we will monetize our YouTube Shorts channel? Can we monetize and earn money through it? The answer is yes, we can. YouTube has started a program called YouTube Shorts Fund. So what is this fund? YouTube has started a $100 million fund, and they will give it to the best creators in the time period of 2021 to 2022. This is not a one-time bounty that only one creator will get it. YouTube will periodically distribute this amount to the best creators who have created their best videos on YouTube. They will choose the best creators from India and also from other part of the world who are having the maximum number of views. YouTube will reward them for their contribution. The reward amount will be $10,000 per month, which will be approximately 7.36 lakhs. But Google has also mentioned in their support page that there is no specific performance threshold to qualify for the bonus. The level of performance threshold may vary from month to month based on various factors. So it is not clear how this bonus system will work for creators. Okay, now which are the countries will be eligible for this program? This is the list of the countries YouTube has published on their official support page. So it is obviously clear that you can monetize your short videos with YouTube. But what will be the exact process of that? Only time will tell. Getting a bonus from YouTube Shorts is not the only way you can monetize your channel. There are some other ways also, which I will discuss in some other video. If you want that video, please mention in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.